Hello. Oh my, I feel. I'm so tired. Okay, I'm gonna do a video. I'm probably not gonna edit it because I'm just so tired. I'm just gonna post it. Fall asleep. Why humanity is amazing. So, wait, no. So I just literally came up with this like right now. No. Best sniping trick shots. So, yeah, I did not type that right. I wrote sipping. Sorry, like my brain is just messed up. Let's watch this clip. So go to subscribe to let's see who it is. So go subscribe to Nyx. They have 1 million subscribers. And small and here and existing. So. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted. So now let's watch satisfying videos. I don't know how LaserBeam can stay up like all night and do stuff. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna make a few videos, edit a few videos, like. Wait, what? Wait, it's just like flying around there. So weird. Wait, is that liquid? Oh my god, it just exploded. Whoa, what? Like, is that a cup? What's that? Are they like glass thinging? I forget what it's called. Oh, yeah. And my brain is like fried. So it's just, they're just burning some glass. Cool. What? Wait. Like, I knew I was tired. My webcam sucks. But I knew I was tired, but I didn't know I was high. Because that made me feel high. Wait, we need to watch this again. No, I don't care about this stupid glass. I'll call my friend. Hello? Have you seen this stuff? I wanna like send a photo to you. Okay, hang on. Bam. Send. Okay, let's call him back. Well, that's so cool that like Hydrojetting is what it's called. I forget. Yeah, okay. Did you see it? Yeah, it's like trippy. Wow. Oh, I've done one of those. Okay, so wait. Story time. Okay, story time. I was washing a car, and they had this really cool thing where it was like this soap broom. I'm not joking. And so like what would happen is like soap would start coming out of the broom. So cool, and it got everywhere because I was like really dumb and stuff. It just started spilling. Like it came so much, like pounds of it came out. And I got to hydrojet it. It was so fun. It was so cool. Okay. You're just hydrojetting it. Oh, that car's dirty. Ew, it's nasty. That's a clean car. I literally almost fell asleep. Wait. I'm gonna make another video. I'm just gonna post. I'm not even gonna edit it. I'm just gonna post it directly to YouTube. Because I'm lazy and tired. And it's 12 o'clock. Give me some just. What? Wow. Oh, I get it. Oh my god. Wait, that's gonna look so cool when you like leave your hand out of it. It's like your handprint is still in there. Wow. Oh, that's so cool. Look, it's just a wave. Oh, this person's dead. Wow. Oh, it's cool. Hi, Asky. Go find Ryan Pernofsky. You just smash him. Did my computer just decide to give it audio? Why? Why does it want to smash something? It's not even satisfying. It's just. Whoa. Show a picture in the book. This is so dumb. Let's just put it on my face. Cause, come on. Also follow my Instagram because I did that. This comment. Someone's coughing. Probably not a. Wait, is that a hand paint brush? Oh, wait, what? That's so sad. What? What? Comment down below if you know what the heck that was. What? So sad. That girl's hair is like really silky. It's like silk. It's really weird. That looks so. Okay. Whoa! Wow. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm sorry, I have to cut the video short. So let's just watch this one last thing. This girl cutting this stuff or something. Or maybe it's a boy. Yeah. Guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Why is it so bad looking? Smash the like, smash the subscribe button, subscribe to the button, and hit subscribe. I'm not gonna remember any of this. I'm gonna remember subscribe and comment down below what that weird thing was. Like, I was like, and she was like pulling stuff out. Bye.